everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and welcome back to another video, the part 2 video of Grandma Told You series. So the first thing I'm going to tell you here is about skin calming. Sometimes we feel very dull and our skin feels very tired. It feels not moisturized enough. This can be even for oily skin people. So just use aloe vera gel. So the best way of using aloe vera gel here is the ones without any colorants. So it's always good to see that your aloe vera gel is transparent in color. Just take a little bit of it and dab it over your skin overnight and go to bed. Use it like a sleeping mask. This will help your skin, calm down and cool down. This is very good. This is something I love, and I have been doing it even when I was back in school, like when I was around 14-15 years. So that's been a long while now, and trust me, this has worked for me. This has worked for a lot of people. Everything I'm telling in this video is tried and tested by me, so go for it, guys, go for it. And the second thing I'm going to tell you is about how to treat acne. So a lot of people do have acne problem, and it can be for anyone, oily, combination or dry skin. Any of us can get those breakouts and pimples and all of that, and sometimes these scars remain. So to reduce all of this, you can use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a very good ingredient to subside the acne. What you can do is, in a moisturizer, just drop a small amount. Now when I say drop a small amount, I really mean small amount, because it's important not to overdo anything, and do this every 4 days or every 5 days. Do not do it every day, because too much of anything is not good. So the third thing I'm going to tell you is about skip using a toner. It's not necessary to use a toner. Instead of that, add rose water to your routine. So I have been using rose water since about 2-3 years. I have stopped using toner, but I do use toners when I get these stuff in samples, because I want to try it out and test it and tell you guys if it's good, because I do have a large audience who uses toners. So I have totally stopped using toners unless I need to make a review. But my personal thing, guys, stop using toners, use rose water. Wash your face, dab some rose water on, and then go ham with your skincare routine. So then the fourth thing is for dark circles. So I know there are so many creams in the market, and there are products which are good and some which don't work for everyone. I have found 2 products for dark circles which are actually good, but I'm going to tell you a simple, easy method. So go to a medical store, buy a vitamin E capsule. You take that capsule, apply it under your eyes. So you apply it under your eyes every single day. See that these capsules are kept in the fridge so that there's cooling effect to it. Don't apply too much of this capsule, just a tiny dart, just the way you would apply an under eye serum. You will see a change. Your dark circles are going to reduce. I'm not going to say it's going to vanish, but given the period of time, it is going to reduce. Some of us do have a lot of dark circles which are due to hyperpigmentation or due to some inner sickness we have, or it could be even due to hereditary. So I am not a doctor, I am not a dermatologist. I will not be able to help you on that, but I can tell you good remedies to help you out a little bit. So the next one is number 5, and that's rice water. Rice water is extremely good for your hair. So you can take actually, it's suppose they say it's with boiled rice. That is the rice which is usually eaten in South India, which is thicker. I think it's called as red rice or muda rice. So I will leave the details of that rice in the description box below, because I'm not very sure what that rice is called as, but it's widely available anywhere in India, anywhere in the world. It's very easy to get this rice. So you boil this rice, and the starch which comes out of this rice, wash your hair with it, like massage your hair with it. See that you can even store this rice water in the fridge. It is very starchy, but it's all right. It's very good even for your hair, your skin. It's nice. Don't eat it, just massage your skin, your hair, your scalp. Massage it and wash it, condition. You will see a change. And yes, so we're done with 5 for the day. I hope you guys like my video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do follow me on Instagram. I'm Saviona Fernandez. Do share, like, comment, and show me some love.